This is my Dyson V7 Animal cordless vacuum cleaner. It's the best vacuum cleaner I ever had. That's for many reasons. It's light is the main reason, but it's expensive. And now the battery only lasts a few seconds. Like so. No power. So I'm going to replace the battery compartment there. Okay, so I have a small Phillips head screwdriver and I'm removing that screw behind the handle. There are two more screws just under there. And under there. Okay, they don't come out quite so easy, so just tip it over like that. The battery falls out and then the screws are there. Now all those screws are identical. It doesn't matter what order, they will go back in. Anyway, that's the original battery. That has lasted me about 3 years. I have got a replacement off the internet. It's not original, but it seems okay so far. It's not trying to be original. The color is slightly different. It's slightly more powerful. It's 3000 milliamps, whereas the original one was 2100. Quite hard to read. But anyway, I don't need it anymore. So just put the new battery in. And it works straight away. There's a little bit of charge in it. Put the screws in, bottom ones first, if you want. I don't think it matters. The last screw. Very good. That works. Put it on charge for 3 hours. That's the blue light. When that's done, you can get back on with vacuuming. Stairs, keyboards, the mouse, under the bed. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share.